Merry Christmas. So today I'll be unboxing my Christmas present that my mom gave me. So let's go. Wow, this is a cash register. So my mom bought it from Toys R Us and I wanted it. So guys, let's see what's in this basket. There's 2 credit cards and food to scan. Okay, and let's see this one. So this one has all the things. Wow. Money. There's money and coins. Alright. And another coin. Wow. Wow. This is just great. So let's see when I on. Alright, I press on. And then when I'll try and press this button that says open. Wow, it'll open this. So this is where I put all the money. Wow. Look guys. Wow. So I'll put the money inside. Alright. So much money. By the way, it's fake. So the coins, I'll put it in. Coins, just put it in here. Anywhere you want. So if you want this toy, you can buy it from Toys R Us. I put all the money inside, and this, I will just put it here. Okay guys, so this is a conveyor belt. And this is a weighing machine, so I'll turn it on. Hello, friend. See? And like, alright, milk and this, I think this is a vegetable or what. And there's this ice cream and let me see, water and carrot, tomatoes, and beans. So yeah. So let's try and scan it. I forget to turn it on. Alright. Look, isn't it cool? I'll scan here. It just makes noise. I'll press this. See? Then I'll put the credit card. Yeah. So bye. Merry Christmas.